my mind's a storm. I see your face in every passing form. A whisper soft like the moonlit glow, but the cold wind tells me I'm alone. I reach for you, but you're just out of sight, caught in the echoes of a long-lost night. Dreaming of you in the cold winds blowing through, like a memory I can't hold on to. Every gust feels like your touch on my skin, but when I open my eyes, you're gone again. In the cold winds, I keep chasing you. In the dreams, I'm still holding on to the way you felt, the way you were. But the cold winds carry only a blur. I walk the roads where we used to go. The autumn leaves fall and the wind blows cold, but your laughter lingers in the air, like a song that only we used to share. I close my eyes and you're in my arms, but the wind reminds me of your charm. Dreaming of you in the cold winds blowing through, like a memory I can't hold on to. Every gust feels like your touch on my skin, but when I open my eyes, you're gone again. In the cold winds, I keep chasing you. In the dreams, I'm still holding on to the way you felt, the way you were. But the cold winds carry only a blur. If I could hold the wind, would I find you there? Or is it just a story that we can't repair? Every whispered breeze calls your name, but all that's left is the ghost of your flame. Cold winds, they blow me home. Through the storm I'll walk alone, but every step they're by my side, guiding me through the silent night. Cold winds, they set me free. In their arms I find peace. With every chill, a memory. Cold winds carry me. Underneath the moonlight's glow, I hear their secrets softly flow. The howl of time, the past embrace, a fleeting touch, a cold embrace. They fill the air with bitter lies, yet in their wake the spirit flies through darkened nights and endless roads. They lead me to where the heart